Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Dipti Patankar and I'm here from Chembur. I was told about this course by our karaoke club and a lot of our members have attended this course and it was highly recommended. And I'm myself a physiotherapist. So we've learned a lot of chest physiotherapy and breathing exercises in our curriculum. But having said that, when I came here, I was very much motivated by everybody saying that this course has transformed their lives, and I really was interested in knowing that what is this really about. And today being the first day, and this is my first exposure to this course, and my experience has been absolutely exhilarating. Praveen sir has been putting in a lot of anecdotes with Bollywood and making it very interesting, very casual at the same time. But at the same time, he is explaining to us the meaning of life, which is such a huge philosophical subject. And today has been just day one, so I'm really looking forward to the next 2 days. And it's in a beautiful locale, so it's in a right setting. And it's been great fun since morning and a lot of learning, a lot of knowledge. What he says, experience, knowledge and wisdom. So it's been a great experience being here. Thank you.